Boy, look at this. I got the squirrel in one. I got Mr. Red Cardinal in one feeder and the squirrel in the other. Look at that. That's unbelievable. That's what I call bipartisan unity. They love each other. Hello, Mr. Squirrel. Oh, there you went. Boy, they're out today. All native animals are coming. Let me go get some peanuts. Let me go get some peanuts for them boys. Eat all that. I drew the peanuts. He jumped from that freaking bird feeder all the way to the freaking tree. But he knows what's there. He knows them peanuts are there. Watch him go bury the damn things. Look. Hello there, buddy. Hello, Mr. Squirrel. Go ahead, go bury your damn peanut. Oh. Go bury your peanut. Go ahead, buddy. Alright. It won't be long. They'll be back. They'll be back.